Hello everybody. Today we're going to do a quick sketch of a person in motion. So we're going to try to show a person as if he's performing a somersault and is in mid-air, and we're looking at it from the head first view. So this is the expanse of our exercise. So the foot is somewhere there, leg, lower part of the body, and upper part of the body in this large circle. We have the head somewhere here. This is the shoulder set. Arm going backward. There's a lot of foreshortening here. Shoulder and piece of the arm there as well. And then the other leg we have to imagine is going like that. And there's the foot there. So this is a very challenging pose in the sense that it requires like an inherent, let's say, knowledge of the anatomy from that perspective. But it's also a lot of fun. So along those lines, we're putting in piece by piece. The hands, the arms. There's one arm. Those are the glutes, in case you're wondering. The foot, the other foot showing like that, and this foot going like that. And I think it's starting to make some sense there. There's our foreshortening again. Arms going backward, and maybe this hand is open if you want to show it that way, and look at that. So the person is, so that is the, so heel, the heel, and the heel view is visible here, and the toe view is right here. So the person is like flipping like that, and is probably going to land. And of course, there's all these details that we can incorporate depending on what the person is wearing. We'll go that in 1 second. So flying t-shirt. There's the top of the head, hint of the ear maybe, perhaps the nose, perhaps the mouth. They are not really consequential, and in fact in most cases the head of hair will be visible, leaving out all the other details. And then of course we have the slacks maybe showing like that, boots. Again, all factors that we can play around with. So let's make that into a sort of like a semi fist, and that can just be an open hand. So do try it out. Awesome exercise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, and have yourself a wonderful day.